because Halloween sa Monday, Saturday. So meron dito Halloween. I don't know what's this, but there's a Halloween. I don't know. Kulang pa ano to. So it's a Halloween. Okay. So meron dito, alam ko ano itong mga ito. Halloween. So dito yan sa Ian Mall. Oh, there's a kitchen here. Okay, so I think I want to buy. How much kaya? So, yan ang kanan dito. Here in the Ian Mall.